Most people think that AI is just a toy, and really, technically it is. But they don't understand that it is the most powerful thing that you can do for your business. So here's 10 things that you can apply to your business today in 2026 to make you more money. Let me just point out, most businesses are about to get left behind. If you apply this correctly, you can now run a business that's just you and a laptop and do what you and 10 other people used to do. All right, guys, stay tuned. Number 7 is going to blow your mind. Number 1, AI can write your marketing. You can tell it, make an ad for my Facebook page to market my detail products for truck owners, or write a cold email for realtors for lead generation. One of the toughest things to do in business is to write your scripts for everything you need. Sales, marketing, whatever. AI does that in a matter of minutes. Within a few moments, you have professional marketing at your fingertips. Now, you can't just tell AI, make this ad without giving it a few more pointers. So the trick to AI is to know that you are the director. Okay, so tell AI, who is the client, what problem you solve, and why you are different. Then refine it. It's that simple. AI is like a 24/7 marketing agent for you. The best part, there's no payroll. AI can build your website. A few short years ago, building a website meant one of 3 things. You had to learn coding, you had to pay somebody to do it between $2,000 and $10,000, or you had to struggle through those website building places. And I've done that. That's a headache. Now, this can be automized through AI. So you can have the business idea in the morning, and by the afternoon, you can have a full website completely launched and ready to go. That's incredible. All right, so you tell AI, I need a website for X. In my case, I need a website for auto detail product. Those of you who don't know, I sell auto detail product online. It creates a homepage, product page, about page, sales copy, and SEO content. Some AI tools will even design the images and the layout automatically. Speed is now the advantage. Number 3, AI can answer your customers. This is a big deal. Customer service used to mean hiring people. It answers emails, it responds to messages, it creates support tickets, and now AI can answer most chats 24 hours a day. It handles things like order tracking, product questions, appointment setting/scheduling, refunds. The best part, most customers don't know it's AI. Now, you can scale your business without a support team. Number 4, AI can manage your social media. Now, posting on social media gives you an advantage if you do it consistently. But most of us fail at that because we run out of ideas or we simply don't have time. This solves it. Tell AI, create 30 social media posts for my brand this month. It'll generate captions, hashtags, video ideas, hooks, and a post schedule. Some AIs will even do all this and upload it automatically. This means your brand stays active without you even thinking about it. The biggest thing to remember in business is consistency wins every single time. AI makes that consistency easier. Number 5, AI can edit your videos. The hardest part about content creation is the edits, the cuts, when to add stuff, what to put on the screen. AI can do all that for you. AI can now edit entire videos automatically. Upload a video, it generates captions, removes pauses, adds B-roll, creates shorts from long form, and one video becomes 10 pieces of content. Here's the catch. No more wasted time and no more hiring people. Number 6, AI can analyze your business data. Here's a secret. Most businesses guess. They guess their pricing, their strategy, and their marketing. AI can help you analyze that data and take away the guesswork, and then give you real information to make decisions to scale. Now, AI can look at your website data, your sales, your traffic, and tell you where most of those things are coming from. They can also tell you where your bottlenecks are. They'll tell you things like your highest customer conversion rate comes from ages 30 to 45 or 20 to 28. Interesting data. It can tell you things like your product page is losing 70% of buyers before checkout. This is real-life data and shows you where to put some effort into fixing. This turns business decisions from guessing into strategy. Number 7, AI can generate leads automatically. This blows my mind. Leads are so difficult to get. You used to have to do call after call after call and hopes that somebody says yes, or you had to pay a lead generation company. This eliminates both. So you can focus on selling and closing. This is a big deal. This means you can have hundreds of potential leads a day, and AI can run the system while you focus on closing deals. It buys back your time. This means, ultimately, more money to your bottom line. Let's say you sell marketing services to realtors. AI can find their websites, collect their data, name, phone number, email, and who they work for, and put it all on a spreadsheet for you. Then you can have it set up automatically an email reaching out to these people. An example would be, hey, I noticed your website isn't capturing leads. I help realtors generate 20 plus leads a month. Would you like a quick audit? You can also have it set up to follow up automatically, freeing up your time. Number 8, AI can automate your operations. Every business has repetitive tasks. Invoices, scheduling, follow-ups, order confirmations, etc. AI can help put this all together to make it easier to automate. Example, customer buys a product. AI sends the email, the confirmation email, updates inventory, creates a shipping label, sends review requests, and then adds that customer to the email list. All automated. There's no manual work, just systems. This is how businesses eliminate the chaos. Number 9, AI can help you create products. Now this surprises people, but it can actually help you create a new product. You can ask, what are customers complaining about in this industry? What product features do people want? AI can analyze that data across Amazon, forums, social media, and then tell you, customers like everything about this except this. Product development that used to take weeks and sometimes years can now be done in a matter of minutes. Number 10, AI saves you massive time. Dan Martell talks about and even has a book called Buy Back Your Time. This is the biggest thing that you could do with AI. Your time is valuable, and it can be spent doing things that you love, hanging out with your family, going outdoors, fishing, whatever it may be. This is the most important. Now, when you guys stack all these tools together, it creates the work of 10 people. This means you can run your business with just you and a laptop and do the work that 10 others, including you, will do. AI is a powerful tool, and it's going to create more millionaires in the next 5 years than the previous 20 combined. So you're either with it or you're not. Catch this wave. It's coming quick. AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs. It's simply replacing slow entrepreneurs. If you ignore it, you're competing against people that become a complete powerhouse. Now here's the good news. Guys, I don't know anything about coding. I don't know how to build websites, but I do know how to be a director. If I can do it, you can do it. You don't have to be tech savvy to learn AI. Anybody can do it. All right, that's what I got for you guys today. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.